everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a requested video. This was requested by one of my lovely followers, one of my lovely YouTubers. So she requested for me to do a set of short-ish, medium-long coffin nails in a burgundy colour. So of course I will add glitter to that. So here are the items that I'll be using for this video. Okay, so these are the items that I'm going to be using. This is one of Tracy's powders and it's called Plum Dark. It's got a little tiny bit of a shimmer in there, hope you can see it. I'll be using this glitter. I really can't remember where I got it from, but it's a silver and there's a tiny little bit of iridescent colour in there as well. Not iridescent. There's just a few different colours, as you can see, as I just sparkle it under the light. And this is some silver hearts that I wanted to use as well. So the liquid I will be using is from Missubeauty, and the clear powder to encapsulate will be from Missubeauty. And I will be using my Crystal Nails A8 brush. And the nail tips that I used today were from Salon, they're from Pro Impressions, sorry. They're the Advanced Natural Smile, so there's no blending needed with those. So, okay, I shall get started. So here are my nails all finished. So the only thing I did actually forget was on my ring finger I had put silver hearts. Get a close up. Silver hearts on it, and I forgot to do it on this finger. So never mind. By the time I'd encapsulated it was far too late for that. So I hope you enjoyed watching my requested video, guys. If anybody else out there has any requests or suggestions, feel free to drop me a comment below and I will try and I will give it a go. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. If you did enjoy it, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.